In this short video I will show you how to create the inner glow effect in DaVinci Resolve. To start, add the Fusion composition to the timeline. Right click and select Open in Fusion page. Move the media out to better organize the workspace. Add a background node and connect to the media out. Then add a merge node. Add an ellipse mask and a background node. Connect all the nodes together. Change the type from solid to gradient. Set the first color to blue and the second to purple. Move the two colors diagonally. Click Fit at the top to return to full screen view. Select the ellipse mask. Right-click the diamond next to Width and choose Expression. Drag the plus symbol to the height. Reduce the value to 0.4, so width and height stay linked. Add a transform node and disconnect from the main merge. Insert a background node and connect the transform to the background. Press Shift Spacebar and add an Edge Detect node. Then add a merge node. Connect the transform to the yellow input of the merge. Then connect the edge detect to the green input of the merge. Finally connect the transform to the blue input of the merge. Select all these nodes and move them upward. Now connect this merge to the main merge. Select the background and change its color to white. As you can see, the circle is now completely white. Go to settings and enable Apply Mask Inverted. In this way the mask will always follow the edge of the shape. Select Edge Detect and choose Grayscale Edges. Set the color to dark purple. Increase edge width to 0.6. Then set gamma to 0.5 and increase blur to 0.6. Select the merge and change the mode from normal to screen. Press Shift Spacebar and add a soft glow node. Lower the gain to 0.35. and increase the glow size to 40. Finally, add the brightness and contrast node. Increase the gamma to 1.1. You can now apply the same inner glow effect to image as well. Simply remove the ellipse mask and its related background. Connect the image directly to the transform. To resize the image, just adjust the size in the transform. If you want, you can also change the color and intensity of the inner glow. If you want to become an expert in video editing, check out the tutorials I have created for you on this channel. And if you want your videos to reach this level of quality, contact me on email.